Alright, here we go. 7.62. These are the Hornady Blacks, doing deep penetration. We're going to do 2 shots just to see what the consistency is of the bullet right now, since these are new bullets to me. And see how it goes. Shooting at about 50 yards. So, like I said, deep penetration, shooting into the wood. On the new range, deep penetration, and let me just stick these right here for now. We got deep penetration, 7.62 by 3.9, Hornady Black, boom, boom, right together, 50 yards. I'm already going to tell you it's hitting into the 4th because we have a split. Wow, we got a split, so it's possibly the 5th. So here we go. First 2. In and out. Next one, in and out, crushing the board. Third one, oh wow, we got sawdust. Destruction. 4th one, destruction. 5th one, it actually looks like the 2 bullets might be coming together. Yes, like I said, into the 5th board. So 5 boards, 5 2x6s. There you go, Hornady Black. 7.62 by 3.9, 123 grain. I'll have all the other information. Thanks for watching.